Hey, this your boy King Smiles with a new video.
It's your boy King Smiles. Welcome to Eat with King. Welcome to my channel.
Hey, this your boy King Smiles. Welcome to a new video of Eat with Keem. Shout out to my new subscribers, because I definitely see y'all or whatever. Welcome to Keem Nation. If you new over here and if you are feeling the vibes and you start liking this video later on in the video, make sure you subscribe. Shout out Keem Nation. What's up, y'all? What's up? So look, let me tell y'all something. My last video I ate a cheesesteak, and shout out to YouTube, shout out to everybody. I don't know what's going on, but that video is doing pretty good. Now, to me, I feel like it's doing good because I know how it is when I drop videos. Sometimes I drop a video, it will get 100 views, and then it stays like that for like 5 days. It doesn't move nowhere. But this particular video, like literally right before I started this video, I kept pushing refresh. And every time I refresh, it's like it's going up a couple views, like, that's how I know it's moving. So to me, I feel like that's good. Like, you know, I'm in competition with myself. So I feel like that's really, really good. So if you didn't see that video, definitely check out that video. It was amazing. So anyway, y'all, today we are actually eating Porto-Finos or whatever. I'm going to start saying the names of the places that I'm actually eating from. I actually ate Porto-Finos before on this channel multiple times. I think one time I actually said the name of the place, but now I'm really just putting it in my title. I'm letting y'all know where it's at. So today I'm actually eating a chicken cheesesteak. What's on this chicken cheesesteak? Y'all, I got mayonnaise, extra cheese, ketchup, and sweet peppers. So I know I'm about to tear this up. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh, yes. And I also got Old Bay fries on the side. And then I also got ranch dressing, because you know I do like ranch. I know I like ketchup, y'all, but I do like ranch. So we're going to be dipping these fries in the ranch or whatever. And you know I got my ketchup on the side, because you know I just like my ketchup. And y'all know what I'm drinking. I'm drinking fruit punch. Sugar-free fruit punch. This is a Wendy cup. You know, listen, y'all, I save my cups. I don't know about y'all, but these cups, you can use them again, all right? But usually I have the little small cups on my channel, but I said I needed a lot of juice today. I just needed a lot. But anyway, I hope that y'all are having a really, really good day. Like this video, like right now, like the video. Comment below. Let me know you in the building. Let's get into this. I'll probably just be doing a lot of eating because I'm really hungry. So, this is the ranch dressing. Dang, it's all white. The light on here. There we go. That's the ranch dressing. Porto-Fino's Old Bay fries is so good. Baby. And also, y'all know how I always wear a hat because I don't like doing my hair on camera. But I was already out and about today, so I was just like, all right, let me just show y'all my hair. So I'm just like, all right. Let me get on camera, switch it up a little bit. Let me get on camera, you know, hair pulled back or whatever, you know. Got a little shape up going on, you know, got a little something going on, you know. Doing a little something. So we about to take a bite of this. All right. Let's get into it. Dang, it's already dripping. Woo! Yo, this is good. I just said it's ketchup on here. My bad, yo. I didn't add ketchup to it. I'm saying it's ketchup on. I didn't even add the ketchup yet. This is really good. I had their chicken cheesesteaks before, which they are really, really good. But this is the first time that I actually added sweet peppers to it, and this is the first time I added extra cheese to it, just to see what it tastes like. So good. Mmm, mmm, mmm. That is one good chicken cheesesteak. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. I'm making a mess. Oh my gosh, y'all, let me get cleaned up. This is a mess. All right, let's put ketchup on this. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. I highly recommend. I see the smoke coming up from this. I didn't even put ketchup on this. That's how y'all know these are good. I didn't even put ketchup on my fries. I definitely highly recommend going here for Porto-Finos and trying their chicken cheesesteak out and their Old Bay fries. Definitely, definitely, definitely. They have other stuff there too, but this is like one of my favorites I like from there. Mmm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. You know what? Why not? Mm, mm, mm. Yo, this is good. Mm, 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 mm. Yo, this is exactly what I needed today. After that, yo, let me drink some of this juice. I didn't drink none of it. Whew. Woo, baby. I love me some good food, y'all. It's nothing like some really good food. Y'all making a mess. I'm so sorry. I'm not talking that much, y'all, but it's just one of those days when I just gotta eat and just eat my food. Woo, baby. I'm probably not gonna need nothing to eat for the next 3 days. Gosh. This is so messy, but so good. Woo, baby. Oh my gosh, y'all. Woo. Oh, I was finishing this. I was finishing this cheesesteak. This chicken cheesesteak, I meant. Mm, mm, mm. Y'all, this is what I'm talking about. Woo, woo, woo. Whew. Yo, I know I be feeling like I'm dramatic, but yo, it just be that good, like, you know what I mean? But I'm your boy Keem Smiles. You know, eat with Keem. If you are new here and you made it this far, just watching me eat, subscribe to the channel. You might as well subscribe to the channel. Be part of Keem Nation. New videos drop every Monday and every Thursday at 5 p.m. Eastern time. That's the schedule that I literally been sticking to for over a month now, and I'm still sticking to it. So, pat on the back, hey, still sticking to the schedule, but I love my Key Nation so much. I hope that y'all have an amazing weekend. If you're watching this on the weekend, I hope your weekend is fine or whatever. And you know, I see y'all with another video.